Good morning. Thank you very much for booking your time for attending this event, which we hope will be of interest for all the people connected today and to others that may access to the materials that will be made available afterwards in the Build Up website. My name is Jose Luis Buron, and I am the coordinator of the ICT Research Group at the Technology and Innovation Direction of Acciona Infraestructuras, a Spanish large contractor which has been coordinating the E3SoHo project. I will be acting as moderator during the webinar. E3SoHo and SHOWE-IT projects have agreed to collaborate in the organization of this webinar in order to present different ICT solutions for decreasing the energy bills of social housing tenants, which have been tested in real pilots across Europe. These two projects, together with other sister projects focusing on the same topic, have been co-funded by the ICT-Policy Support Programme, which is part of the Competitiveness and Innovation Framework Programme of the European Commission, aimed at stimulating innovation and competitiveness through the wider uptake and best use of ICT by citizens, governments, and businesses. Both E3SoHo and SHOWE-IT projects will present today their conclusions from different perspectives: ICT solutions deployed, energy savings achieved, acceptance of ICT solutions by end users, technological prospects, economic feasibility, and replication potential. The webinar will present as well a more recent ongoing research project, EPIC Hub, which covers a broader scope of application of ICT for energy efficiency in buildings, as it moves from the building to the neighborhood as a core unit for applying energy efficiency strategies. This represents an intermediate step for achieving a holistic energy management at the level of the smart city, in which the ICT solutions piloted in the ICT PSP projects represent a technological brick that will empower citizens to increase their awareness about energy consumption and energy costs, and based on that, make informed decisions regarding personal energy use habits. We hope, therefore, that this webinar will be a valuable tool for helping different types of stakeholders, including public, social, and cooperative housing providers, construction companies, ICT suppliers, and energy service companies and consultancies, to transfer the experiences from these projects to other social housing stocks of Europe. Before starting, we would like to thank again Build Up, the European portal for energy efficiency in buildings, for the support they have given us in the organization of this webinar, including the provision of the ICT infrastructure for hosting the event. The webinar will be structured in two main blocks. The first block will consist of 3 presentations from E3SoHo project, and it will be followed by a question and answer slot. So please feel free to ask any question that you may have related to the contents of these first 3 presentations. Later on, we will have a second block focused on SHOWE-IT projects, which will have 2 presentations, plus the presentation from the EPIC Hub project. Again, at the end, we will have a question and answer slot so that you can ask any question related to this second block of presentations, or in general to the topic of ICT for energy efficiency in social housing. Now we will move on to the first presentation of E3SoHo, which will be done by myself.